Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your browser and making a clear ethical choice. You are not trying to bypass protections, but to manage experience responsibly. First, audit extensions and update your blocker so you know what is active. Once done, decide whether you will whitelist sites that rely on ads, subscribe, or use privacy-respecting tools. Make sure to back up settings and profiles before changing anything, because that preserves options and avoids accidental data loss. You want to understand how sites detected blockers so you can make informed, ethical choices. Start by inspecting network requests and console logs in developer tools to see what scripts or bait elements a site uses. This reveals the why behind blocking. Once done, prefer privacy-first tools or paid options offered by sites instead of tactics designed to evade detection. Make sure to weigh the trade-offs, functionality versus revenue support, and pick an approach that respects both privacy and creators. You are now completing the process by choosing a final approach and verifying it. If you decide to whitelist, add only trusted sites. If you subscribe, confirm payment and test content access in a private window. Once done, review privacy settings to balance tracking and usability. If something goes wrong, clear cache, disable other extensions one at a time, and retry. Make sure to contact the site for help before attempting evasive measures. That troubleshooting tip often resolves access problems without harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.